How to uninstall people. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall this application. First of all, navigate to the place where it is located. So it is right here. Now simply tap and hold onto this app. Now here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. So these are the app info and app settings. Here there are different options and information about this application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this uninstall button. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before you uninstall this application, make sure you have your account and password saved, because later if you install that, you might need it. So make sure you have all it saved and simply tap on this OK button. So it will take some time, and as you can see, the app has been completely removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.